social values, cultural values. In fact, we live every day the life of Himalaya and Deyapada. I'm sure you are aware about our coexistence. We live in the same land of Mother Nature. I don't need to share it, but just preferably to remind you one thing, as to what is South Asia mainly depends on the multiple livelihood. Multiple start from Deyapada, and it starts going upward north till it meets Himalaya and gets very lovely cut, then comes back as it comes to day. That is the life of South Asia. That's why I say here in Bangladesh and Nepal and South Asia, every day Bangladeshi people live life of Himalaya. Every day Nepali people live life of Deyapada. If there is no Deyapada, there is no Bangladesh. If there is no Himalaya, then there is no Bangladesh. That's why we share our life, we share our future, we share our prosperity, and we also share our challenges. Society needs to interact more as both society and common nature. So in this regard, I must thank and congratulate Khan for inviting me and my friend, Dr. Leaders. He is a very popular poet in Nepal. He is cardiologist here in Bangladesh, very well-known young poet in Nepal.